For the first time since a change of guard after the late CP Francis Odesanya, who died on the 31st of January in an Indian hospital. The management team of the Rivers State Police Command, led by the new Commissioner of Police in the state, Zaki Ahmed, is visiting Government House in Port Harcourt, the Rivers State capital. According to the CP, the command under his watch will be professional and apolitical.
Your Excellency, sir, I'm here to work. I assure you we will be professional in our conduct and we'll do our best to execute our constitutional mandate, that is protection of life and property and preventing of commission of crime. Where crime is committed, we'll do our best to ensure that it is detected.
The Rivers State Governor, however, appears unimpressed by the promises of the police.
You know, the problem we have in Nigeria is that it's easier said than done. If you come here today and I hear this good story you say, and I go home to begin to jump and rejoice that the new CP is a professional, then that will be something. But I pray it should be so. I pray it should be so. If you are independent, I will go home and sleep well. But I know you are not, because you have the appointing authority.
The governor says while the government is ready to provide logistical support for the force, he doubts its sincerity to fight crime and criminality.
Let me advise you, if you want to fight crime, you want me to give you support, you will not last here. You will go in the next 1 month. I'm just, today's what? What's today's date? Mark it, I said, if you want to fight crime, you will not last here. But if you want to play politics, you will last. That is what we are suffering in this state.
As the police continues to fight crime and criminality in the state, there is need to ensure that its activities are not caught up in the web of political intrigues. Emmanuel Irei, Channels Television News.